The HP rails can be put into a threaded hole rack. You first start out these pins right here, and some of these HP rails can be removed. So by taking them out, you can use a screw to put them into a threaded hole rack. Now, for demonstration purposes, I have a portion of a 2-post relay rack. It does have the EIA standard hole spacing right here, and we're going to use this to demonstrate this method. Once you have the actual pins out, you can see you have hole positions here where you can put in screws. So you simply line it up with your rack that you have them in. And there you have it, HP rail kit designed for both a square hole and a round holed rack. You simply remove the pins that come installed on the rail and then use screws to screw it directly into the rack.